LEGO world. Today, we're building something super fun and super relaxing. Get comfy, enjoy the LEGO sounds, and let's build together. Yay! In this opening sequence, the unboxing begins with a careful inspection of the LEGO Technic Shelby Cobra 427 SC Pink while it is still factory sealed. The box is examined from every angle, highlighting official branding, technical details, and pristine condition. With deliberate and precise hand movements, the seal is gently broken, the lid is lifted, and the first clear view of the neatly packed LEGO components inside is revealed, setting the stage for a methodical and satisfying assembly process to follow. At this stage, all contents are carefully removed from the box and laid out in an organized manner. Large and small plastic bags are placed neatly on the table, followed by the instruction manual and sticker sheet. With the box confirmed empty and moved aside, the focus shifts to preparation, highlighting the variety of LEGO Technic parts and clearly identifying the very first assembly step in the official manual. Ready to begin the build. Begins the true assembly process by opening the first parts bag and organizing every Technic element with care. The builder connects the first beams, presses pins until satisfying clicks confirm secure joints, and steadily extends the structure into a linear base frame. Each connector is added with precision, reinforced from multiple sides, and checked closely against the instruction manual. The segment concludes with a stable, neatly aligned base frame placed at the center of the table, ready for the next stage of construction. The sequence continues the build by opening the second parts bag and carefully organizing longer beams for structural expansion. The builder methodically extends the base frame, adds cross supports, and presses each pin until secure clicks confirm stability. Symmetry and rigidity are checked through touch and alignment, followed by reinforcing the center. The segment concludes with a clearly defined, stable chassis laid flat on the table, ready for the next stage of detailed construction. Are you enjoying the LEGO sounds? If you love LEGO builds like this, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More fun LEGO builds are coming. Now let's keep building. Yay! In this segment, the build transitions into mobility as the wheel components are carefully unpacked and assembled. Each rim is pressed into its tire with controlled pressure until a satisfying click confirms a secure fit. Axles are aligned and installed into the chassis, followed by the front and rear wheels mounted symmetrically on both sides. The wheels are spun to verify smooth rotation, and light pressure reveals the suspension working as intended. The sequence concludes with a gentle roll test, presenting a fully functional rolling chassis that forms the solid foundation of the LEGO Technic Shelby Cobra 427 SC Pink. This part of the build focuses on shaping the character of the car by adding its pink body panels and assembling the interior. The panels are unpacked and installed carefully along both sides, pressed evenly to achieve clean, flush lines. Inside, the dashboard, steering wheel, and seat are assembled step by step, forming a detailed cockpit at the center of the model. Gentle adjustments ensure everything sits straight and balanced, concluding with a clear view of a completed mid-body section that defines the structure and personality of the LEGO Technic Shelby Cobra 427 SC Pink. In this segment, the exterior of the Shelby Cobra takes its final shape as each iconic detail is added with care. The front fenders, hood, exhaust, lights, and roll bar are installed step by step, bringing out the classic Cobra character in pink. Precise adjustments ensure every panel sits flush, resulting in a solid, visually complete model. A final inspection confirms the structure is stable, aligned, and ready for presentation. In the final stage, the workspace is carefully cleared and the instruction manual is neatly stored away, leaving the completed Shelby Cobra as the sole focus. The model is centered and presented from multiple angles, highlighting its iconic design, smooth curves, and detailed construction. A gentle push confirms smooth rolling performance, followed by a clean hero shot that emphasizes the finished build. The process concludes with a calm, polished presentation of the fully assembled LEGO Technic Shelby Cobra 427 SC Pink, ready to be admired and displayed. Yay! We finished our LEGO build! Thank you for watching and building with us. Please subscribe, because subscribe it's free. Like the video, and tell us which LEGO set you want next. See you in the next LEGO adventure. Bye-bye.